Video 39, Math Lesson 5.8. In this lesson, we'll be talking about changing fractions into percents. Now, the best way to change a fraction to a percent is by memory. If you have a good memory, you may be able to remember almost all of the decimal and percent names for easy fractions given in the table on page 398. That's page 398 of your student reference book. You probably already have several easy fractions memorized. For example, you probably know that 1/10 is 10%, or 8/10 is 80%. You probably know that 3/4 is 75%. If you can't remember the percent name for a fraction, the best thing to do is change the fraction to a decimal by dividing, then multiply the decimal by 100 and write the percent symbol. For example, you can use a calculator to rename 3/8 as a percent. In your calculator, punch in 3 divided by 8 times 100, and your answer will be 37.5. Basically, what you're doing is you're changing your fraction into a decimal, 3 divided by 8. That's going to equal 0.375, and then when you multiply that by 100, it will move the decimal place to the right 2 decimal places, and you get 37.5. Therefore, 3/8 equals 37.5%. Let's put these steps into your notes. So grab your notebook and at the top of your next clean page, put the topic, Changing Fractions to Percents. Step 1, change the fraction to a decimal. Step 2, multiply by 100. Let's put this example in here as well. So let's say, for example, your fraction is 4/5. Now, if we do step 1 and change the fraction to a decimal, we will find out that 4/5 equals 0.8, or 8/10. And if we take 0.8 and multiply that by 100, it equals 80. So 4/5 equals 80%. Make sure you have these instructions copied into your notes.